Drafting, the blueprint of your writing. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll be diving deep into a very crucial step in the writing process, drafting. It's the moment where your ideas begin to take shape on paper, serving as the foundation upon which your entire piece is built. Let's learn what it is, why it's so important, and some quick tips to master it. Drafting is the initial stage of putting down your ideas in a structured manner. Think of it like sketching before painting. It doesn't need to be perfect. Instead, it should capture the essence of what you want to convey. In academic writing and research, this step is critical because 1. It allows you to organize your thoughts. 2. It offers a preview of how your research or essay might shape up. 3. It gives you a starting point from which to build, refine, and polish. Understanding the purpose of drafting is paramount in becoming a proficient writer. Here's why. Clarity. By drafting, you can see if your ideas connect logically and if there are gaps in your arguments. Flexibility. Drafting isn't about getting things perfect the first time. It allows you to make mistakes, rearrange sections, and refine your thoughts. Momentum. Once you have a draft, you're more motivated to complete your writing because you have already laid the groundwork. 1. Start without hesitation. Don't overthink. Put your ideas down as they come. 2. Ignore the urge to edit. This stage isn't about perfection. There will be time to edit later. 3. Break it down. Split your writing into smaller sections or bullet points. This makes it easier to organize. 4. Seek feedback. Sharing your draft with peers or mentors can provide invaluable insights. To wrap things up, drafting is like the blueprint of your writing project. It provides a foundation, offers clarity, and sets the direction for your piece. Remember, every great piece of writing started with a draft. So, don't be too hard on yourself, embrace the process, and happy drafting. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of drafting in the writing process. Until next time, keep writing and keep learning.